15 must-know phrasal verbs to sound more natural in English. Hello, today we are going to learn 15 useful phrasal verbs that will help you sound more natural in English. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are combinations of a verb and one or more particles, like prepositions or adverbs, that together create a meaning different from the original verb. They are widely used in everyday conversations, and learning them will make your speech more fluent and natural. Let's get started. Knuckle down, meaning to start working or studying seriously. Example, I have an exam next week, so I need to knuckle down and study. Mull over, meaning to think carefully about something before making a decision. Example, she needs some time to mull over the job offer before accepting it. Figure out, meaning to find a solution or understand something. Example, it took me a while, but I finally figured out how to fix the computer. Run up against, meaning to face difficulties or problems. Example, we ran up against some technical issues while setting up the new software. Eke out, meaning to make something last longer by using it carefully. Example, he had to eke out his savings after losing his job. Get round to, meaning to finally do something you have been planning to do. Example, I've been meaning to read that book, but I haven't got round to it yet. While away, meaning to spend time in a relaxed way. Example, we whiled away the afternoon sitting by the lake and chatting. Brush up on, meaning to improve a skill you haven't used for a while. Example, I need to brush up on my Spanish before my trip to Madrid. Bank on, meaning to expect and rely on something happening. Example, I'm banking on the train arriving on time, or I'll be late for my meeting. Be in for, meaning to be about to experience something, usually unpleasant. Example, if you don't study, you're in for a tough time during the exam. Pan out, meaning to develop or happen in a certain way. Example, I'm not sure if my plan will work, but we'll see how things pan out. Get on with, meaning to continue doing something, especially after a break. Example, stop wasting time and get on with your homework. Stumble upon, meaning to find something by chance. Example, while cleaning the attic, I stumbled upon an old photo album. Bump into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly. Example, I bumped into my old school friend at the supermarket today. Iron out, meaning to resolve or fix problems or difficulties. Example, we need to iron out a few details before the event. Learning phrasal verbs will help you understand native speakers better and express yourself more naturally. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to use these phrases in real conversations. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep going. Thank you.